Good morning children. Today start the class for 4th standard maths. This video help you for next week coming for assessment test. Unit 1 and Unit 2 I give the revision once again. This one practice in your home. Then you write the test for very easy. Shall I move now? Unit 1 and Unit 2 you study. First one unit here for geometry. I ask some questions. Ready to say the answer children and practice yourself. First one. The opposite sides of a dash are equal. Opposite sides equal for rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E rectangle. Okay. Then second one. All dash figure are called quadrilateral. Closed. C-L-O-S-E-D. Closed. Four. F-O-U-R. Four. Sides. S-I-D-E-S. Sides. All closed four sides figure are called quadrilateral. Then third one. A cuboid has how many edges? 12 edges. Then you studied for draw the circle using for compass, scale, pencil. That one you get for radius. You know the radius, then easy to draw the circle. Here given the question. Twice the radius is called diameter. Twice the radius is called diameter. D-I-A-M-E-T-E-R diameter. Then next one, fifth one question. Dice is a dash shape object. Dice you have the object. That one what is the type? That type saying a cube. C-U-B-E cube shape object for dice. Then blackboard is the rectangle shape object. Okay. Then seventh one. Here draw the figure for parallelogram. P-Q-R-S. So four lines is here. So four sides. Parallelogram is having four sides. So this one PQ, QR, RS, SP. This is for sides. PR, QS. These two lines is saying for your diagonal. So here asking for write the sides and diagonal. Then next one, eighth one, figure is given to you, measurement is given here. So find the perimeter. Already you studied for all the sides, added and get the sum of value, sum of the four sides. So 11 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 11 centimeter. So this figure is saying a square shape. E-F-G-H. So find the perimeter of this. Added for 4 times. So you get for 44 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of the figure. Okay. The next one, ninth one. A line segment with its end point on the circle is called a chord. C-H-O-R-D-S, chords. Then this fully for covered for first unit up to 9 questions. Then next one, 10th one, start for numbers. Find the smallest number using 4-digit number given the digit. 5, 7, 2, 3. 4 numbers is given here. So this one is saying for 4-digit number. So you first form for smallest number. So here given the 4 numbers. Find out which one is your smallest number. Yes, 2 is your smallest number. So write the first number 2. Then next one 3. Next 5. Next 7. So 2357 is the smallest number. are asking for biggest number, you write for reverse counting 7, 5, 3, 2. So 7532 is a biggest number. Okay, but here asking for smallest number only. So you write for just 2357. The next one, 99 plus 1. So any one number you add for 1, then get for next number. So 99 after number is 100. So this is the answer for 100. Then 12th one question, write the even number. So number is given to you 6231, 4812, 7263. Already you learned for end the number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is for ones place number is there, that one for even number. So you check whether ones place, this is the ones place, this is the end number, that one check 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 number is coming, that one is saying for even number. So here 1, no, this is not a even number. 2 is here even number. 3 is not here. So 4812 is a even number. Okay children, you understand this one topic? Shall I move now next one? Then 13th one, find the place value of 3n. Number is given here 8423, but 3 is where? Yes, here. So this one for ones place. That's why you write the answer for 3. TH or EE 3. Or write the way for number is 3. Otherwise here asking for 4. So you write for 400 or 400. That is the answer for place value. Okay children. The next one, write the expanded form 4830. So here given for 4830. So how to write this expanded form? 4000. First one is a 4000. So write for 4000 plus 800. So 800 plus 33. So 3030. Then ones place is 0. So you should write 4000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 0. So you should separately and write it for ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. That is saying here expanded form. The next one, 15th sum, 3462. Here given the answer for 3463. So here 62, this one 63. So what is the difference? You add for number 1. So 3462 plus 1 you get for 3463. So easy to find out now what is the difference for the answer and given the question. Then easy to find out 1 or 0 concept or any one other numbers. Okay. The next one, Sam, addition. So 2142, 3214. So you add now. How to add? First one, ones place. So here 4. This one number 2. 4 plus 2. Directly you write for 6. Then next one, 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Then next one, 2, 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. The next one, 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So you should do ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. First you separated here after easy to find out and added for ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So here also you write for ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, this one help you to do for correctly, then you get the answer is no confusion, you get correct answer. Okay children, the next one 4293, then you added for 0. Any number you add with 0, you get the same number. So here 0, then you write for 4293. The next one, so here given for subtraction symbol. So this one is a plus, addition, here subtraction. Subtraction means you do for take away. Okay, then you find out now ones place 0, here 0, 0 minus 0, 0, then 7. Only you do for subtraction. This is the big number, this one is a small number. But you do the addition, any one number you added with the next one, that is no confusion. But here do the subtraction only. First number is a biggest number, second number for smallest number. But do the addition, small number to big number is also possible. Here big number is coming for first, then only you do for subtraction. Okay, 7 subtract 3, 4. Then 6 subtract 2, yes 4. Then 9 subtract 4, 5. So you get the answer 5440. So difference is here 5440. Okay, you understand the concept children? Shall I move now next one? 20th sum, 4231, 1562. This two number you added, then opposite side is given for equal. One number is given to here 1562. So 1562 is here. Here also 1562. But this one is equal. Do the addition. Both the side is given for addition. So easy to find out which one number you added to get this same number. Yes, this number only added for here first number, here to move for second number 4231. Then here second number, this one opposite side first number. So 1 to change for 2, 2 is changed for 1. But you get the answer is same. This one for addition, you get the answer is same. Okay children. The next one sum, 21st sum, 6 thousands, 2 hundreds, 4 tens, 5 ones. So you should write the answer now. Thousands for 6, hundreds for 2, tens for 4, ones for 5. So 6245 is the answer. The next one, write the short form 5027. So here hundreds is not given here. So you put the 0. So thousands for first one 5. Hundreds is not given here. So put the 0. Then tens for 22. Then ones for 7. So 5027. So you easy to write 5027. Hundreds is not given here, but you should compulsory put the 0. Otherwise you write this one 0 is leave it here and write this one 527. So this is 527. This one wrong. Okay children, you understand and write this one 5027. So put the 0, hundreds place you put for 0. The next one, 23rd Sam, 7234 plus you added for 2637. Ready to add now? 7 plus 4. Yes, here you do for ones place. Tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Here also ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So first you write this one, easy to do for correctly. So ones for 7, ones for 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. So this one write for 1. 1 is carry over. Then 3, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Carry over you should added and write here. Otherwise this one is here wrong. Okay children. You keep with your mind. Carry over added and write. Okay. Then next one. 6 hundreds place for 6. Here hundreds place for 2. 6 plus 2. Yes 8. Then next one. Thousands place 2. Thousands place 7. 7 plus 2. 9. Right for thousands place. So you get the answer now. This two number added and get for 9871. The next one Sam. 876 subtract 232. So 800 is a bigger number, 200 is a smaller number. Whether you do the subtraction, you check this number is correct or wrong. So you easy to do it. Then ones place you do for year. So first number 6 is a bigger number, 2 is a smaller number. So 6 subtract 2, you get for 4. Then 7 subtract 3, 4. 8 subtract 2. Again you get for 6. Then 876 subtract 232. The difference is 644. You understand this concept children? Do carefully. The next one Sam. Write the numbers in words. 2542 is given here. So number in words means write the number name. 2000. THOUSAND. 2000. 500. 40. 2500 and here you write for after the 100. So 2540 FORTY 42 TWO2. Okay children, you understand this one? So numbers you learn thoroughly. You understand now? Okay children, this one video help you to write the assessment test. Everyone should write in your answer sheet question with answer or put the Roman letter and put the question number correctly and write your name and your class. Okay children, everyone should compulsory attend the assessment test. Then send it to me. I hope you everyone get full mark and do neatly in your test paper. Okay children. This neat presentation I expect for all the children. So you should write your name. Write compulsory in the margin. Put the question number after you write the test children. Thank you children. You study carefully. Unit 1 and Unit 2. Write the test neatly and send it to me. Take a photocopy and send it to me. Okay children. Thank you.